As a patient-focused foundation, we see value in helping encourage and educate patients on how to be physically active during and post-treatment for improved outcomes. HealthTree has created a new HealthTree Moves fitness tracking app to provide patients with new ways to stay physically active during a time with life changes. The app includes fitness challenges to encourage all to be more physically active, regardless of your stage in life. Challenges are a great way to stay accountable and motivated, and build a habit of consistency. To use the app, download it from the Google Play or App Store. Then you can log in and create an account. When you create an account, you can create your own username and add a profile photo. Once your account is created, you will be taken to the main page where you can find challenges to join. Look under Active or Upcoming to find challenges to join. Once you have joined a challenge, you can see posts from others in the challenge on the main page. Tap the green menu button in the top left corner to find announcements, My Devices, or Settings. Under My Devices, you can connect your Fitbit or Apple Health to track your activity. On the main page, click on the top icons to manually add your activity status. You can add the steps taken, miles traveled, and most importantly, the minutes of activity. Click the bottom right icon to view your profile. You will be able to see a history of your activity stats. On the main page, you can post to your feed so others in the challenge can see what you have accomplished. You can also share photos to your post. Adding photos to your post makes it more fun for everyone. Download the app today and let's move together.